Ka jingyaw vote ya ka election shteng semoy jong ka Gambaguri constituency kala long hne kasngi ha ka ba kiladon riungut ki kertong ki bai khon persha ha gani kasngi nyaw vote nadu ka kelas tiap ka ba nengkong layoi ba ka kertong jong ka seng NPP kala tam ya baro ki weipat ki kertong but kajingi khon ka dei hapdeng kajingi khon ka long hapdeng ka kertong jong ka NPP persha ya ka kertong jong ka TMC hado bakot jong ka jingyaw ya ka vote layoi ba ka metap chandi ajitok sangma kalayo ya kanam kum kalado da ka ba penlim ya ka kertong jong ka TMC ka Sadhya Rani sangma hakani kasngi na kaleng presiden jong ka NPP ubadairu menteri rangba jong ka jela kurat sangma pelapen pawi ka jing snow hun habide bat ka result ka balami bat ka longru ka result ka bawan ra jingkemen yaki kum ka seng NPP Luang ru bakni ke penisai bagi pajba jong ka Gambaguri constituency kijet ya ka Kampen Roy bat nagaliang jong ukum presiden rengkat keseng harengkat ki khot baro kisim ya ka benta ban ai kublai kerpang ya ki pajba jong ka Gambaguri constituency namar kila ai ke jeng kersan pura bat Punjab ya ka kertong ke jongki
We were hopeful that we would win, and I think that's what we did, right? Still waiting for the final result to be declared, so I think it should be okay.
How are you feeling with the next round of results? You are nervous?
Of course, I think as every candidate is, gets nervous for the result, I was also. Although we knew that the response was very good, still nothing was for sure until every votes were counted. So we're just waiting for that.
Looking at the trend, Congress question is
and the results are as per expectation. So we're very happy that the people of Gambaguri have voted for development, and we are very committed to that. And once again, we would like to take this opportunity to thank the people of Gambaguri. We still have to wait. We still have the last round left. So let's wait for the final results and the announcement. But looking at the trends, it looks like we are quite comfortable, and we should be there.
and the trend, TMC has come second, so the bastion of the Congress has ended.
See, every election is different. One has to look at election from a different perspective, and things change. Voters are intelligent, even though they may be from rural areas, but they know what is good for them and how they should vote in every election. So this election, as I said, they have voted specifically for change in terms of the constituency and development. So future also we have to see how things go, and every election is to be looked at from a different point of view.
How are you celebrating, sir?
No, nothing. We're just happy. We thank God for His blessings. We thank the people of Gambaguri, and we thank, most importantly, all our leaders who have worked tirelessly to ensure that we were able to reach to this level in this election. So
Thank you, sir. We have